I just got this. I purchased it on Amazon. I was having issues with my Drobo 5C, which is a 5-bay NAS drive, which works through USB-C. And I don't know if it was the update on my drivers or the update on the actual Drobo software and some firmware update that recently happened. This is May of 2019. But I had some weird things where it disconnected, which it never did before, ever. So I'm just gonna put an active cable. I just have a regular USB extension cable to the device. I had tried to use a USB-C to USB-C onto my computer, but that wasn't working very well. So I decided, so I had to get an extension cord. So I got an Amazon Basics one, which, you know, was doing fine for a long time. That USB, this connected to the computer, this connected to the USB-C cable off the 5C. And that worked fine for a long time, but I decided, because of the issue I was just recently having, to see if I can get a more, you know, up-to-date active repeater cable and put it on there, and that should solve any further issues. So I like this one, the fact that you can add a micro USB cable. Of course, I got to get my own power adapter, but that's fine. I have one, and I'm going to connect it to here. This is my own cable. So I'm going to add it to here so that I can add additional power. And I'm going to see how it works on my 5C. So let me open it up. So this is everything that comes in the box. It's a USB 3, as you can see, with the blue color. There's a little clip here so that you could connect the micro USB, which I'll do now. I have to get a USB charging device. It should fit nicely. Come on. Okay. Maybe I'll tape it here and keep it together. And the other side has a cover, and it's a USB 3. It's, I believe, 15, 16 feet. So according to my measuring tape, it's just over 16 feet, 193 inches long. So it's more than enough than what I need. All right, wish me luck. So I swapped out the cable for a little bit longer one. So this will be my setup. This will plug into the 5C, or the USB-C will plug into here. I'll plug this into an outlet under my desk. And I taped it so there's nothing coming loose. I know I went a little bit overboard, but I think it'll do very, very well. So let's see how it works. So I ran into a little problem using the active USB that you plug in. So one of my issues is that I can't turn off the computer. So I had to do this setup. So this is a USB extension from that cable that comes from underneath my desk. This is underneath my desk. That's it right there. I'm having one of the drives that died, so I have to fix that. But anyway, I have it going from there to an outlet here, and in order to get it active, I just turn it on. Let me turn off the light so you can see better. So I have to switch this on to make it active. So now it's active. You see the little red light? The problem is I'm going to shut down my PC, and you're going to see that it doesn't shut down. So I'm shutting down my PC right now. See, it's shutting down, but it doesn't shut the computer down. The computer stays running. It's got all these lights running and everything. So in order to get those lights off, watch what happens when I switch this switch off. All the lights, now it goes off. The problem is that while it's on, I can't even get the computer back on again. It gets like into some kind of sleep mode or something. So, you know, this is for me, it's a good workaround. If it does what I need it to do, which is not disconnect during a huge transfer, I'll be more than happy to go through this for that. So let's see how it works. Just wanted to make a note of that you might run into that. If your computer's not shutting off or acting funny when you plug in this cable and you plug it into a USB power source, that you may have to actually unplug the USB power source. So it's been over a week, and I have to say I'm very happy with the active USB cable. It works well. It works better than I expected. No disconnects whatsoever. I did a huge 2 terabyte transfer, and you know, I left it overnight, and it worked fine. No disconnects, no problems, no issues. I really like the cable. Okay, thank you.